In the redesigned Photos app, there's a really nice section called Trips, and this is something which is brand new in iOS 18. These trips are curated collections of photographs of times that you've been away or explored somewhere new, where you've gone away on a vacation perhaps, or a mini break somewhere. Tapping onto the Trips heading here will let you browse by year, and you'll notice straight away that you've got older trips in here from before you updated to iOS 18. Your iPhone will scan all of your pictures and it will make these memories for you. The trips themselves are presented like these kind of Polaroid images of different locations, and when you tap onto one of those, you can then see all of the pictures in that collection. More than that, if you press the movie button, Photos will create one of those beautiful memory movies for you out of that particular trip or vacation. As I've been exploring and playing with iOS 18 over the summer, I've really enjoyed looking through these different trips. They really bring to life various places that I've visited or things that I've done in my life, and it's a really nice way of getting all those pictures together without having to search for them or create an album manually. In fact, there are lots of new things in iOS 18 which I really enjoy, which I think make my iPhone better than it was on iOS 17. I've made loads of quick tip videos this year, you'll find them all on my channel down below, but excitingly I've also written an ebook. I've called this book 100 Quick Tips for iOS 18, and just as the name suggests, there are 100 things in there that you can now do on your iPhone. All of them are written in short and friendly language that anyone can understand, along with screenshots of each feature as I talk about them. I'd love for you to check it out and let me know what you think, so please do explore that at the link below. And have fun with iOS 18!